How to sign out of a Gmail account on your Android device. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily sign out of a Gmail or a Google account on your Android device. So the very first thing you have to do here is find the Google account that you want to remove. Let me just quickly go ahead and open up Google over here, and if I tap on my profile at the top right corner, here, let's say if I want to delete this account or log out of it, there is no option to log out. So you're going to have to do it from your phone settings, as you're going to have to remove it from your entire device. To do that, open up your settings menu, then scroll down until you find account and backup. Tap on accounts. Then right on the top, you'll have an option that says manage accounts. Go ahead and tap on it. So once you have your Google account or the email that you find that you want to remove, just go ahead and tap on the account. And then right here, you can see different options. The first one is to sync account. Then you have your Google account, your info, security, and personalization. Right below that, you have this big remove account button. All you have to do is just tap on it. And then what happens is after removing the account, it will delete all of its contacts, calendars, and other data from the phone. The data will remain in the account and it can be easily accessed by signing in again. Now, if you're sure that you want to remove it, tap on the remove button down below and you're good to go. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.